This is the exact 1 cup soil mixture that turns a tired, slow-producing tomato plant into a heavy, fruit-loaded one by the peak of summer. Most tomato plants stop producing halfway through the season because they run out of 2 specific nutrients at the worst possible time. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix that for just a few cents. You already have both of these ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now, and once you understand how they work together, you will never throw them away again. Let me walk you through exactly what this mixture is, why it works, and how to apply it the right way. Once your tomato plants start flowering and setting fruit, they begin pulling enormous amounts of energy out of the soil to build every single tomato. The problem is that most backyard soil simply cannot keep up with that demand, so the plant quietly starves right when you need it to be at its strongest. When that happens, you start seeing yellowing lower leaves, flowers that drop before they set, and dark sunken spots forming on the bottoms of your tomatoes. Understanding this slowdown is the first step, because once you know what the plant is missing, feeding it correctly becomes very simple. Taking the time to monitor these small changes allows you to intervene before your plants suffer any real damage. With a little bit of patience and observation, your backyard garden will become more responsive to your care. The mixture is simply dried, used coffee grounds combined with finely crushed baked eggshells in a 1-to-1 blend. Coffee grounds slowly release nitrogen, which is the nutrient responsible for strong stems and the deep green leaves that power fruit production all season long. Crushed eggshells deliver a steady supply of calcium, which is the exact nutrient that prevents the sunken black rot that ruins so many tomatoes late in the year. Think of it as one ingredient feeding the plant and the other protecting the fruit, working together in a way that a single store-bought product rarely does. Both materials are easy to source, meaning you can build up a supply without spending a dime at the garden center. Creating your own organic fertilizer empowers you to take full control over exactly what goes into your soil. Commercial fertilizers are designed to give your plants a fast, dramatic spike of growth, but that surge fades quickly and often leaves your soil weaker than before. What we want instead is a slow, steady feeding that also builds the living microbial health of the soil underneath your plants. This mixture breaks down gradually, feeding your tomatoes over several weeks while improving the very ground they grow in for next season. Once you understand this difference, you stop chasing quick fixes and start building a garden that gets better every single year. Long-term soil health is the true secret behind every successful gardener who consistently grows a surplus of food. Once you start observing the long-term benefits in your beds, you will see why this approach is worth the extra effort. Before I show you exactly how to prepare and apply this, do me one quick favor and tap that like button, because it genuinely helps me get this kind of practical, no-nonsense gardening information in front of more home gardeners like you. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe so you do not miss the rest of this organic soil building series we are working through together. I release simple, tested methods like this one every single week, and they are all designed to save you money and physical effort. Now, let me show you how to get this mixture ready. Preparation matters here because you cannot simply dump fresh, wet coffee grounds and whole eggshells onto your soil and expect good results. First, spread your used coffee grounds out on a tray and let them dry completely so they do not clump or grow mold once they hit the soil. Next, rinse your eggshells, bake them at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then crush them into a fine powder so the calcium can actually be absorbed. Once both are dry, you simply mix them together in equal parts, and your 1-cup blend is ready to use. Taking these small preparatory steps will ensure your mixture is effective, easy to store, and free from any unwanted mold or pests. Having your supplies ready to go makes the actual application process in the garden much smoother and more efficient. Take 1 full cup of your finished mixture and gently work it into the top inch of soil around the base of each tomato plant, staying a few inches away from the main stem. Be careful not to dig too deep, because tomato plants have shallow feeder roots near the surface that you do not want to damage. Once it is worked in, water the area thoroughly so the nutrients begin breaking down and moving into the root zone right away. This single application creates a slow-release effect that will carry your plant through its heaviest fruiting weeks. Always remember to wear gloves and be gentle, as protecting the integrity of your plant's roots is vital for its overall health. Watering in your application is the most important step for activating the microbial activity that will eventually feed your tomatoes. This mixture is powerful, so you only need to apply it twice during the entire growing season to see a real difference. Use it the first time right when you transplant your seedlings into the garden, giving them a strong foundation from day one. Apply it a second time when you see the first small green tomatoes forming, which is exactly when the plant needs that extra calcium and nitrogen the most. If your soil is already very acidic, use it a little more sparingly, since coffee grounds can gently lower your soil pH over time. Keeping a simple garden log of when you applied the mixture can help you track your results throughout the busy season. Consistency is the key to any successful gardening plan, and following this schedule will keep your plants balanced. Within just a couple of weeks, you should notice the lower leaves turning a deeper, healthier green and far fewer flowers dropping off the plant. As the season continues, that steady feeding translates directly into more fruit setting and heavier clusters of tomatoes on every branch. You are not forcing an unnatural spurt of growth here. You are simply giving the plant exactly what it was missing at the right moment. That is the entire secret behind a bigger, more reliable harvest from the same plants you were already growing. You will be amazed at how quickly your plants respond to even a modest amount of nutrient-rich organic material. There is no better feeling than seeing your plants thrive and produce beyond your initial expectations for the year. So the next time your tomato plant starts slowing down in the middle of the season, remember that the fix might already be sitting in your kitchen trash. 1 cup of dried coffee grounds and crushed eggshells, applied at the right time, gives your plants the nitrogen and calcium they need for a genuinely bigger harvest. If this helped you, please give the video a like, hit subscribe so you can follow the rest of this soil building series, and leave me a comment telling me whether you've ever fed your tomatoes with coffee grounds before. I respond to every single comment, and your questions often become the topic of my next video. So let us keep this garden growing together. We are all here to learn from each other, and your shared experiences help everyone in this community become a better gardener. Thank you for following along with this journey, and I look forward to hearing about the success of your tomato harvest this year.